The most common reason your iPhone 15 running iOS 26 isn't showing notifications is that Focus or Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. Disabling it immediately restores incoming alerts for messages, apps, and calls. Other possible causes include notifications being accidentally turned off, previous hidden from the lock screen, app-specific notifications disabled, or background app refresh being off, preventing apps from fetching updates in real time. In this video, you'll learn 5 proven fixes to restore your notifications and keep you updated as they happen. So follow along and you'll be back to receiving alerts without missing a thing. The first thing you need to do is disable Focus or Do Not Disturb. When enabled, it blocks all alerts until turned off. To check, open Settings, then tap Focus. Tap Do Not Disturb, then toggle it off. You can also swipe down from the top right corner, tap the focus icon, and choose Off. Once done, test if notifications are coming through. Next, toggle notifications off and back on. This refreshes notification permissions for all apps. To do this, open Settings, then tap Notifications. Tap Show Previews, select Never, then switch it back to Always. This ensures notifications reappear on your lock screen. After that, enable notifications per app. Some apps may have notifications disabled individually. To make sure they're allowed, open Settings, then tap Notifications. Scroll down, select the app you're missing alerts from, then toggle on Allow Notifications. Finally, enable Background App Refresh. This allows apps to update data and deliver notifications even when not in use. To check, open Settings, then tap General. Tap Background App Refresh and make sure it's turned on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. These 4 solutions should be enough to restore your iPhone 15's notifications on iOS 26. But if the issue continues, you can contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further help. If this video helped you fix your iPhone 15, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more ways to optimize your notifications.